Hello guys, welcome back to Fura's Kitchen. Today we're going to make mandazis. We're going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and half a cup of sugar. And then I mixed that very well. And then I added 2 tablespoons of butter, margarine, blue band, or you can use oil. And then make sure that you mix that very well with the flour. And then I added 1 tablespoon of cardamom. Guys, I almost forgot. Yeah, 1 tablespoon of cardamom. And then I added coconut milk. I used coconut milk. You can use water, you can use milk, whatever you have. And then I started kneading. So my coconut milk wasn't enough, so I ended up adding a little bit of water. I used 1 cup of coconut milk. So I'll knead that very well until it's soft, and then you cover it and let it rest for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then I started making the shapes. So for the shapes, you can go for whatever shapes that you want. If you want small sizes, it's okay. As for me, I mixed the shapes with the small sizes and triangle shapes, but they were all small. Yeah. So here I'm rolling the dough, then I cut into my shapes. Yeah, so let's cut the shapes. Yeah, as you can see, whatever shape that you want, it's okay. Yeah, these mandazis are so yummy, guys. They're very different from mahamri and half cakes. They're different. Yeah, you see we have a lot of a lot of bites to go with our tea and coffee and whatever. So we are done with the shapes. Then we start frying in hot oil. Yeah, you start frying and you keep on turning until you reach you get your desired color. I think by now you know that I don't like the too brown color. I just love the light brown. So we are going to fry, we just make sure that the inside is cooked, so you don't use high heat. Yeah, we are here we are it's almost cooked. Yes, it's almost cooked. Where today? Yeah, so I'm turning them so that I can remove. Okay, I'm adding the next batch. Yeah, so you'll continue cooking until all your mandazis are done. Yeah, you continue this way until all your mandazis are done. Then you can serve. Me, I like them cold. Some like them hot as they come. Yeah, so I'll continue frying them. Guys, let me remind you, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe and like and comment below. It will go a long way to help our channel grow. So far, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it so much. Okay, so I think we're almost done, guys. Yeah, we are going to remove this from the oil. Yeah, and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless you. Bye bye till next time. Thank you.